minute.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you a dope.
Now, who is this? He look too young to win. I ain't never seen. He know what he doing, y'all. Hey, you on my YouTube channel? Okay, I'm gonna have it record. Look out racing. Yeah, hell yeah, you got that. Let's see. He got that intake, y'all. It still smell new in there. Check engine light on though. Oh yeah, I like this truck right here though. I gotta go with him. Plus he got a lookout racing. Hey, I got this out. Bet 20. How much? Hey, right here. Right here, man. I'm trying to bet you. Hey, who want it? Where you at? Damn, I done missed out, y'all. Fuck, let me try to catch. Hey, where y'all at? Damn, y'all, old boy over there do got that F-150 clean up, though, boy. He got that rammer hood on there. B-locks all the way around. He just spent some money. I did not see nobody pointing. I would have gave odds on this. Oh, left lane for the win. Damn. Well, that truck on the left lane was rolling. I mean, right lane rolling though. I thought he won. Damn. Damn, this side won, y'all. He held him off. There go FUNKYTOWN, y'all. Yeah.
He had me. Hey, I thought he had it. I thought he had it. It looked like he still was there.
Yeah, that's what it looked like to me.
Look that he had it. He said on Sam Morris.
Yeah.
He looked like he was the head.
Yeah.
He looked like he had him by a truck.
Damn sure did, man.
Truck.
And then they turned the light on over here.
Light came.
Damn sure looked like he had it, man.
I'm gonna go ahead.
It looked like he
Yeah.
had
It
it.
looked like he was the head.
What do you think?
It looked like he was ahead.
It was a setup.
Yeah, hell yeah. It looked like he had it. I'm like, FUNKYTOWN, boom. Shit.
Damn.
Hey, look out. He looked like he was the head.
Damn sure did the whole
It did
fucking
look
time.
He was the
So
head.
how they cut the light on this one over here?
I'm
don't know.
gonna go ahead.
You gonna go ahead?
Hell yeah.
He looked like he was the head.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we need to go over here and see.
Goddamn it. Here come Nancy.
Don't tell me FUNKYTOWN wasn't gonna bet with FUNKYTOWN.
Nah, he ain't both FUNKYTOWN.
Oh, funky motherfucker.
Look.
He looked like he still was the head. I'm gonna go ahead. He looked like he was the
The
head.
whole time.
He looked like he was the fucking
man.
head. Like they had the problem.
Hey, that's okay. In that shit, cause here come Nasty Boy finna show the fuck out now.
Okay. Pushing that bitch to the floor.
Hey, I'm gonna show you a dope feed here in just a minute.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you a dope feed.
I'm gonna show y'all. I don't know what's wrong with that dope. Damn.
Go ahead.
I just put. For all the rest of my people that's on TikTok, want to see it in HD. Widescreen. Lookout Racing on YouTube. That bitch start getting it.
Hey, that big feed up that dope, boy.
Yeah, that's that dope.
That big feed up that dope.
Let it eat. Anybody can get it. Well, he crunk out here tonight. Somebody get him. Yeah, we finna go.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.
Boom.